One little fish swam in the sea, happy and playful as can be.
Two little fish swam side by side, splashing along with the ocean tide.
Three little fish with colors so bright danced around in morning light.
Four little fish soon through the reef, playing tag beyond belief.
Five little fish swam fast and free, jumping over the coral tree.
Six little fish, what a splash, swimming past in a speedy dash.
Seven little fish in a circle spun, having oceanic counting fun.
Eight little fish with tails so long, wiggle waggle in a number song.